It's week 5 of building my eco home, and if this week had a theme, it would be stubbornness.
No, sorry, she doesn't want help.
But sometimes stubbornness can work in your favor, especially if you apply it to building a house. Hey, if you're new here, I'm Jackie. I bought bare land on Vancouver Island 4 years ago with the goal to be more self-sufficient. I started with a garden and a food forest, and now it's time to build myself an eco home. I don't really know what I'm doing, and I make a ton of mistakes, but I'm learning lots and having fun, and I think that's pretty much what life is all about.
Woo. Okay.
You done your sexy pose for the camera? You know I'm not filming, right? You're just posing?
Baby, this is all for you. This is for you, baby.
Okay, do you want a mic? I'm like worried to mic you up.
This truck right on this mark here. And then I'm going to pull it tight. Give her a snapperoo. Woo! That's a crisp line. The key is to hit it hard and straight.
Okay.
I'll get you to try one. See if you can do it. First shot. If you do it first shot, I quit.
No, I don't want you to quit. I
can just build it yourself, baby.
I go down, bottom out.
Yeah, and pull it up like a, something like that.
Okay.
Bend her over. This is a stiletto 14-ounce hammer. Okay. Hard and fast and straight.
Come on. No.
Oh! Oh, it's still good. Oh! Oh, you're hooped. You're screwed.
I can't
I think you're screwed. You can try, but I think it's screwed.
No.
Oh! It's... Oh my god. Oh! Oh, yeah.
Is it screwed?
You could try. I don't know. Close though. That was pretty good. I was impressed.
Okay.
That's okay.
So
it's
what do
okay.
I do? Pull it out?
No, just leave it. It's not so much to hold it down. It's to hold it like from shearing off. So we're pretty good. I just leave it. Save it.
No, I want to straighten it.
See, I did the same with this one right here.
Yeah.
Right? It just stops.
So
It's like you just stop. It's like here. It's
Okay, I gotta try again though.
okay. Well, we got lots to do, so let's go. So if you want to throw this level on here, and I will let me get this nail started here, and I can kind of lift it. You just tell me when.
Down a bit. I think right there is good.
Right there.
Yeah, is that okay?
It's pretty good to me. Looks pretty good. I'm gonna sink this now.
Okay.
Drive her home. Okay, if you want to grab that level, you're going to be
I'm the leveler?
You're going to be the leveler. But
Okay.
here, let me just get a few extra nails at the bottom here. Say when.
When?
When? So paper face, always on the concrete side. What we've been doing is you need room for the ties, so you put one of these 3-inch duplex nails on either side.
I see. There's
Like
still one
that.
sticking out right here.
Like the first 2 rows, then we can just nail this one.
Just go.
Nail on that one. So let me just nail this side.
Why no nail gun? Just don't want to.
And you're dragging a compressor hose around. I do have that cordless nail gun, but I just find it is just quicker to hand nail it. We will, for the inside forms, I have like a palm nailer.
Okay.
That we're gonna use.
Definitely not faster for me to nail it. Like a pass load air gun, that's what we need, right?
I have a cordless or an airless Milwaukee
Yeah.
one that we could use.
Can't even see where
Where the nail.
Where does the wood go?
Where the nail is, the bottom nail is. Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Is the last wall that we are going to do today. Hopefully we'll finish it up. The last little wall for the day. Ooh, bringing out the nailer.
Here, I'll go get a battery for it.
Okay. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
So I've been complaining a little bit to Kevin that I don't like the nailing of, like, it takes me a long time to do it. So I was like, we need a nail gun. So we've got a nail gun, but there's 3-inch nails in here instead of the 2-inch nails. But I just find it's like very annoying to be trying to hammer in the plywood into the 2x4s and then like removing it around for level. So maybe this just on the corner pieces where they need to be really level. Maybe that'll be good.
Here. Yeah. Put that in there.
Yeah, this is exactly what I had pictures in my brain, in my mind.
Yeah. And maybe you'll quit your.
But so you can get to quit my. Well, like you hammer fast. I don't. So for me, I'm like, come on.
I'm just giving you a hard time.
Takes me forever.
Just giving you a hard time.
Just give me a nail gun.
Okay, let's flip this over so
my house is starting to look like a house, which is getting very, very exciting. We are almost finished all of these walls for the crawl space foundation. Now, again, wanting to do things differently and like building an eco-friendly home, it kind of kills me that like all of this work that we go up to building these forms all gets ripped down. But I'm told like that's the way you do it, and it is kind of wasteful. Like I do have a lot of waste of wood scraps, but I am being very mindful of the wood we are using, and I would rather take the time to like cut things properly and make sure that we're minimizing waste as opposed to just yeah. Anyways, look at it. Isn't that exciting?